everyone, welcome back again to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. How are you doing today? So yeah, our clients actually entered the salon today and decided to try this new hairstyle she has been seeing online. She felt like the hairstyle is going to fit her, the fact that she doesn't have like edges in front. So with the pattern method of the way they do the hairstyle, she feels like it's going to cover that part up, and also with the fact that the hairstyle is a short hair. So yeah, please do not forget to share the video to friends and family. Give the video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, so that you don't get to miss it anytime we upload a new video here on this channel. First, we already washed her hair using shampoo and conditioner, then with water as well, of course with water as well. So next thing is just to go ahead to cornrow her hair. That's after drying the hair with hand dryer. It's just to cornrow the hair, and we are just starting from the very back of her head. This is so that it will prevent any harsh lines concerning the hairstyle we are going to make. So it will prevent harsh lines when trimming, after trimming the hair. And for the cornrow, we are going to cornrow the hair round and round and round, and while cornrowing we are going to be adding extension to the hair because the hair is so soft. So we do not want it to loosen after making, or after like as time progresses. So yeah, at this point I'm just going to allow you to watch the video because it's self-explanatory. Guys, if you don't already know, we sell luxury hairs. We sell luxury, like good luxury hairs, and they are so affordable. You guys, I'm going to be leaving the website here on the screen, www.exquisitesignature.com. if you want us to customize your hair for you, we are going to do that as well. You can just send us a message. We have different textures of hairs, different lengths, and yeah, they are so affordable. You guys, just go ahead. We also have products, hair product as well, so in case you are interested, you can patronize us. Go ahead to check our website, is on the screen.
I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm ticking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. No fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes. My set, follow the stars. Yeah, you shall find her. It's a bad vibe. If you hit your enemies, enemies shine. If you're not depend on me, enter the light. Cause you can never kill my vibe. Not here with no sacrifices. Everything was taken, you had to make it. Vibe killer, me I no go take shit. Vibe killer.
Alright, after cornrowing, we just go ahead to hide the tip using needle and thread to do so.
You know I'm just that type. No, nothing kill my vibe. Nothing kill
For the product, we are going to be using Ceres from Xpression, and we are going to use just one pack of these products. And for this, for the length, we are just going to be cutting the hair into cut 4. The reason is because we are still going to trim the hair after installation. So yeah, that's why we decided to cut the Ceres into cut 4. And then after that, we'll just go ahead to use my crochet pin to start crocheting the hair onto, that's the hair product onto, or the hair extension onto her head. For crocheting, I'll just start by taking the crochet pin in out of the crochet to form a loop, and then we'll just go ahead to take the tip of the extension, pass it through the loop to tie a knot. We'll crochet in this method until I'm done filling up the whole hair or the whole cornrow with the extension. For this process, it took about an hour, that's including the cornrow and the installation of the extension. It took about an hour.
You see my bitch, say she had bad. Anytime I knock it out. No rubber band, no rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. If I know pull out, she got my back. But do you cool? I'm happy that. What do you cool? Say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk, where you talk, I go do. Me, I know they see another girl for my visuals. Yeah. Loving you, now in my ritual.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Say it. My mind, and my body. My body says it. My mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy.
Guys, if you don't already know, we sell luxury hairs. We sell luxury, like good luxury hairs, and they are so affordable. You guys, I'm going to be leaving the website here on the screen, www.exquisitesignature.com. If you want us to customize your hair for you, we are going to do that as well. You can just send us a message. We have different textures of hairs, different lengths, and yeah, they are so affordable. You guys, just go ahead. We also have products, hair product as well, so in case you are interested, you can patronize us. Go ahead to check our website, is on the screen.
Now you ain't gotta talk, alright. Baby, I just wanna talk to you. Talk to you. Know this shit. Know this shit. Know what it is. I really wanna go where we can go. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I really wanna stay. I really wanna go where I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I really wanna stay. I really wanna go where I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I really wanna stay. I really wanna go where I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together.
After the installation of the extension, I'm not just going to go in with the bonding glue, just applying it around the parameters of her head. So you can either use a bonding glue or you use a bolt hold, but preferable, since I've tried both, so I prefer to use the bolt hold on this hairstyle, that's around the parameters of her head. And then after that, we'll just go ahead to spread the product evenly before going ahead to place the extension on that part where I apply the bonding glue. And then after that, we just allow the extension to stick on the bonding glue. So I'm going to allow it for a while, just leave it for like, let's say 15 minutes thereabout, 10 minutes thereabout. Guys, if you don't already know, we sell luxury hairs, we sell luxury, like good luxury hairs, and they are so affordable. You guys, I'm going to be leaving the website here on the screen, www.exquisitesignature.com. If you want us to customize your hair for you, we are going to do that as well. You can just send us a message. We have different textures of hairs, different lengths, and yeah, they are so affordable. You guys, just go ahead. We also have products, hair product as well, so in case you are interested, you can patronize us. Go ahead to check our website, is on the screen. So yeah, this is what it looks like after trimming. Hope you enjoyed, hope you were able to learn something from this video. Do not forget to share the video to friends and family. Subscribe if you haven't. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.
Best friend decides who on the road, on no location. I don't want them seeing me getting faded. You should come to my